Hello, my name is André Kless, I'm the developer of CCM, and in this video I want to give you a quick overview what is CCM about. This is my GitHub page, where you can find the code stuff. CCM stands for Client-Side Component Model and is a model for composing, embedding and running web components inside the browser. Our implementation consists of a single JavaScript framework CCM and many CCM-based web components. Here you see our ready-to-use CCM-based web components. We are currently working on places where you can find, publish and rate components and where you can construct and compose web apps from them. We call these places Web Component Cloud, or shortly WCC. Choose a component to try out a demo and get information about it. In the near future you can rate and comment and create apps out of it directly. This is another component for creating an app out of the component we looked at before. Notice that we choose competition as a guiding principle here. So many different ranked components may be offered here for the same thing, so that users can find the best choices according to their needs. As a result, we get an HTML-based embed code, which contains only a script tag and a custom tag. This embed code is now usable in any web-based content. You know embed code from YouTube videos. With our embed code we can embed not only videos but any kind of web component. Let's show this inside the German learning platform Ilias. Instead of using an input mask for creating an app out of components, you can also create a CCM-based app on the fly in HTML. Here's an example for creating a quiz. To use a CCM-based web component, you only have to know the public URL of its JavaScript file. After that file is loaded, the corresponding custom HTML tag is ready to use. As you see, we now can create HTML-based domain-specific language, short DSL. For example, we can create such an embedded DSL for digital learning. Here is another example of a CCM-based app. The difference is that this app has collaborative elements. Let's use this app in another learning platform. As you can see, this results in a cross-platform real-time collaboration. The point is that you can use web components inside a platform even if the platform doesn't know about it. If you switch to a higher platform version or a different platform, the components are working directly without any re-engineering and migration effort. We have experimented with combining web components into more complex web apps. This is an example of a web app for a complete semester course, where we have reused components for menu, for news, for chat, for forum, and many more like video, quiz, and ratings. Each CCM-based app can also be deployed on any mobile devices as mobile web app. This has the advantage that people that use our course app could exit it inside the learning platform, but also as standalone mobile web app. Remember, the collaboration works between all instances, no matter from which platform it is accessed. Let's clarify some terms. In the field of digital learning, we distinguish between digital learning content, applications and platforms. In case of CCM, the platform is a browser, the applications are made up of CCM-based web components, but what about the content? We have a content component which allows for packaging any web-based content into a CCM-based app. For example, this video is a part of an open education resource, packaging both contents and software as well. Because the content of this learning unit is packaged as CCM-based app, it can now be reused in any web-based content. Notice that interactive and collaborative open education resources can be built with CCM-based web components. These interactive and collaborative open education resources can be used from any access points. Together with cross-platform collaboration, this leads to embedded collaborative learning, shortly ECL, is defined in our paper. This short video cannot address all aspects. There's much more to talk about. For example, data management, user authentication, availability, and versioning. We have comprehensive concepts for all these aspects. Please contact us if you're interested and want more details. Nevertheless, we want to advance the state-of-the-art of embedded collaborative learning and are searching for support to finish our work.